Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, where we bring you the best in classic and modern automotive legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American cars of all time, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. A car that defined an era, turned heads then, and still commands respect today. This is more than just a car, it's a symbol of 1950s automotive excellence. The 57 Bel Air wasn't just Chevrolet's flagship, it was a cultural statement. With its bold tailfins, gleaming chrome accents, and that unmistakable front grille, this car embodied the spirit of post-war America: optimism, style, and performance. Under the hood, the Bel Air was a beast for its time. Buyers had multiple engine options, including the legendary 283 cubic inch V8, which could be equipped with fuel injection, pushing horsepower figures into the 250-plus range. This wasn't just a family cruiser, it had the power to back up its looks. Whether you opted for the 2-speed Powerglide automatic or the 3-speed manual, the driving experience was smooth, effortless, and full of character. Step inside, and you're greeted with mid-century luxury at its finest. The dashboard is a masterpiece of chrome, color, and functionality. The massive steering wheel, the sweeping speedometer, and the airplane-inspired accents make you feel like you're piloting a jet on wheels. Plush bench seats, vibrant upholstery, and attention to detail made the Bel Air not just a car, but an experience. What truly set the 1957 Bel Air apart was its timeless design. The signature gold Chevrolet emblems, the dual-hood ornaments, and those unforgettable tailfins made it one of the most recognized cars in history. Even today, it's a favorite among collectors, hot rodders, and anyone who appreciates classic American craftsmanship. Owning a 57 Bel Air today isn't just about nostalgia, it's about preserving a legend. Restored models fetch premium prices, and the demand for these beauties has never faded. Whether you see one at a car show, in a private collection, or cruising down the highway, it's impossible not to admire the sheer presence of this machine. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just one of the greatest cars of its era, it's one of the greatest cars of all time. A perfect blend of performance, style, and history, it continues to inspire new generations of car enthusiasts. If you love classic cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe to Auto Dynamic for more deep dives into automotive legends. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite classic car of all time? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.